All right, take a breath for a second. The market's about to open. Noise is about to pick up. Before anything starts moving, just remember why you're doing this. You're not here to gamble. You're not here to get lucky on one trade. You're here to follow a process. Because once the market opens, it will try to pull you in. FOMO, impatience, revenge trading. All the urges are coming, but you can avoid them. Your job isn't to predict what happens next. Your job is simple: stay neutral and make good decisions, one at a time. Think about your framework. You don't need to guess today. You just need to follow your rules. Before your first trade, are you actually ready? Daily loss set? Plan clear? Do you know what you're looking for? Or are you just watching? Because the goal today isn't to make money. It's to execute properly. If your setup isn't there, you don't trade. That's a win. Most people lose because they feel like they have to be in a market. You don't. Patience is part of the edge. Also, don't let one trade mess with your head. It's just one trade. One data point. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. If it follows your plan, it's a good trade. If it doesn't, that's what needs fixing. If your stop gets hit, that's part of it. That's the cost of doing business. You're not here to be right every time. You're here to manage risk and stay consistent long enough for the math to play out. And if you're being honest with yourself, if you don't really have a clear framework yet, no structure, no tracking, no real plan, that's usually where things start going wrong. I put together a simple, math-based approach that helped me fix that. It's in the ebook link below. No hype, just something to give you structure if you need it. For now, that's it. Stick to your plan. Protect the account. Good luck in your trading today. And if you want to stay consistent with this, save this video and use it as part of your pre-market routine.